Today I'm going to show you how to blur someone's face. What's up everyone, my name is Salia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur someone's face. You can do it in any video editor, but now I have Adobe Premiere Pro, so we're gonna make it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump in the computer. Okay, let's name this project how to blur someone's face. Okay, we take the video. Let me see this one. First, we create a sequence. Ctrl+N. I have already selected the preset. We go OK, or how to blur. We name the sequence someone's face. Okay. We drag and drop to the sequence. And now, for example, which part? I'm gonna select this part. From here. Okay, this one. We cut it just to make sure I have the selected video. Okay. So now we go to Effects, search for Gaussian blur. Okay. Drag and drop to the video, and now the video is selected. When the file is white, it means it's selected. Here, the blurriness, we can drag this, but as you can see, it has blurred all of the video. By the way, you need to check always repeat edge pixels because it does a better job. It doesn't show the black corners. We have three options here. We have the create ellipse mask, we have the create 4-point polygon mask, and the pen tool. In this case, it's a hat. So a hat has ellipse form. And we're going to use the ellipse mask. Make it a little bit bigger, just to be sure, you know. I'd like you to feather it a lot, because right now it's very harsh. The edges are very harsh. We go to mask feather and feather it a bunch. So when you feather a bunch, the blurriness may go away a little bit in the corners like this, you know. You see my head, but we can go to mask expansion and then increase it a little bit. Increase. We're good. Okay, let's play. Okay, sometimes the object is moving. What you can do is manually mask path, click the mask, and frame by frame you can go another frame, move the mask, another frame, move the mask, another frame, move the mask. Or you could try Adobe's track selected automatic option. Go to the first frame and then click play. Eventually track the head. Sometimes it doesn't do a good job. When it doesn't, you just click stop, reposition, go play. If it does the mistake again, you click stop, reposition. We're thinking that this is moving, for example, and then go play again. I guess this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope I could help you. If I could, please give it a like, give it a subscribe, and join the channel and wait for more tutorials to come. And if you have any other ideas, any other questions, please comment below. I'd like to chat with you, and we can see each other in the next video. Peace.